Connected to Colorado and the entire Rocky Mountain region, you're watching TUBE.
Well, with the weather warming up outside and that wind calming down, you'll probably be outside a little more. So you may need some new sneakers. And this morning, we have a sneak peek at some of the newest high-tech shoes to hit the market. The sneaky sneaker man, Keontae Young, joins us live in studio this morning with a look at the latest sneaker. Sneaky sneaker guy. I just didn't want to say sneaker guy. I wanted to change up.
That's cool.
I wanted something new.
Well, let me sneak to the first shoe.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, she loves these shoes, and it actually blends really well with your top.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even think of that. Oh, what a great thought. I like that they're so light. So tell us what they are and what they do.
Those are the ZigTech by Reebok, and what's great about them is they actually help you use less of your own muscle. With every step you take, let me demonstrate.
Sure.
When you step down, let me see.
Okay, so step down.
Or you do a step down, and the shoe will literally propel you forward.
Like whoa, propel you forward, so you use less.
And even better, even if you're not an athlete, if you're just walking, they are one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever put on my feet.
Are you insinuating that I'm not an athlete?
No, but I'm not an athlete, and I wear the shoes. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, for me, I'm speaking for myself. You are definitely an athlete.
Oh, thank you, Keontae.
Now, these are from Prada. I'm actually wearing these now.
You are. Now, these are a little pricey. These last ones were $99,
Yeah, those are $99,
okay,
$100
now that, the normal person can kind of afford, but these are up there.
Yeah, those are $400. You know, what I like to say is that sneakers are the poor man's luxury. Most people can't afford to buy a really nice house. You can't afford to buy a really nice car, but you can buy a nice pair of shoes, and sometimes you want to treat yourself.
Why $400?
Well, first of all, they're Prada, and that gives it a little bit of exclusivity. The style of the shoe and the quality of the shoe is really high quality.
I like the 99.
That's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I like the 400.
Yeah, I know. That's why you're wearing them. Okay.
These are the Rock the Boats from Rocawear. As I was telling you during the break, they provide my wardrobe. And what's really cool about Rocawear is under the leadership of Jay-Z, they've been constantly revamping themselves and reintroducing themselves and recreating, the different styles. And I think what's been interesting is the launch of this shoe. It has such a classic feel to it, but at the same time, it's very modern. It's only $70.
That's not bad.
It's only $70.
Yeah, that's not bad.
And style-wise, it looks great, so you can wear it. He could actually wear these with his suit.
Yeah, Tomer could. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
And those came straight from Jay-Z's office.
Yeah, they sent those to me.
Hi, Jay-Z.
These are the gel Antares, and Asics. Everybody knows I love Asics for running and cross training.
They're light.
Yeah, and they're light. But what's great about them is they're only $75.
Which, for full price, that's, not bad.
That's really good.
Okay.
These New Balance 710s, again, light. They are light.
They weigh nothing.
No, but they're a great cross-training shoe. They're very durable, great cross-training running shoe. But I would suggest people use these more so for your lifestyle shoes. There's a young lady walking
Bonnie,
around.
Our floor director.
Yeah, Bonnie's walking around, and we were talking how this shoe would be perfect for her lifestyle. Walking, standing on your feet.
Yeah, you were looking at her. I saw you. Okay.
Well, no, I like that. Don't get me in trouble now.
Looking at you. Okay, we got quick. We gotta go get the last
real
shoe.
quick, Reebok. This is a classic shoe, the BB 4800s.
Canvas.
And it's a basketball shoe, very inexpensive.
How much?
$60, $70, depending on the store you get them from. Last but not least, Geox, my new buddies. What's great about these is they allow the sweat to dissipate out of the shoe, but don't allow sweat to go in. And that works out well because for these golf shoes, when you're playing golf, you're walking on the green, and sometimes you may step in a puddle of water.
How much?
These are $200.
Okay, so Tom Green golf shoes.
Oh, these are perfect for Tom.
These look like something that Parente would wear, but his is more of like a kind of an orthopedic shoe.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. The sneaky sneaker guy. You don't. You silly goose. All right, Tomer, what do you think?
Well, I was thinking that these Reeboks.
Which ones?
That's a brand new design, isn't it?
No, actually, no. This is actually
I know.
classic.
They've had these for years.
And they're canvas. I love them.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. On a day like today, maybe you can get outside, go for a run with some of those Asics shoes. 67 in Denver today.